Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add your Etsy link and your Etsy store to Pinterest. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com if you've not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, you can get started with signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started, and now we can get started with managing our account. So here in the main page, you can take a look at all the products that you can use, and you can get started with managing your store with the shop manager options. So it doesn't matter. What you can do is get started with linking our store to Pinterest. So first things first, you're going to open up your store. You can either open up your store directly in the shop manager option right here, or you can open up your account if you want to link your account to Pinterest. So once you have opened up either your store or your account, doesn't matter, it's going to look like the same, because here at the top of the screen we have the URL bar. This is the URL bar that we're going to be using. This is the link that's going to take people to our store or website or profile, depending on what we copied, when they take a look at our link in our Pinterest bio. So what you're going to do is go ahead and select this link, copy it, and get started pasting it in Pinterest. You can paste it into your bio or into your page or description, depending whichever option you want. And after pasting it guys, you'll be able to go ahead and enable people to access your store directly by clicking that link. So that's basically how you're going to go and be adding it and linking your Etsy to Pinterest directly using the link. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.